Hello, my name is Biljana. I am one of the producers on Film Mater by young and talented Jure Pavlović, previous European Film Academy winner. It's very interesting that a young Balkan man decided to make a film about two women. I can identify personally with the main protagonist Jasna, who is played by amazing Daria Lorenzi, that already collected several Best Actress awards for this role. For me, it's a story of many of us who live between two cultures. It's a story of enlarged Europe. It's a story of us who left our homelands, like Jasna, before coming back to take care of her dying mother. This is a very deep topic, but very sunny and often very funny film. So please come to see it.